Show me how. All right, I'm gonna show you guys how to do a repair. I actually installed this. Ever so slight on this side leak, which I was shocked. Of course, I taped it and it was pretty darn tight. Maybe I didn't put enough tape. These are your finish markers that go on. Okay, this is a Hansgrohe tub faucet. Okay, and as usual, the German stuff's very finicky. These are the trims that you'll put on when you install this faucet, the rough end. You better take these out. These are your plastic with rubber washer. That is your handle valve to control the hot and the cold. Okay, and then this is your spout outlet. So this is the inlet, hot and cold, and you better take them out to prevent potential. And I say potential because a lot of the valves today, the rough ends, they claim that you don't really have to remove the plastic. Okay, but I'm gonna do it as a precautionary measure because it's just not worth it. Especially being German. So here's your rubber and the plastic, okay? And these are 17s, being German, 17 millimeter. And I'm too lazy to find out. This might be a 22 of kind sort. Watch this, okay? Watch this. Okay, okay. All right, you see that? That's what you don't want to melt, and it's better just to take it out and be safe. Don't be a sorry loser, just be a safe winner. Okay, and that's it. That's a Hansgrohe tub faucet. Big spigot. I did it offset on purpose, okay? Thank you for watching. Show me how. So it leaked. Coupling. Okay, folks, there we go. Now here we'll just shim this side up to straighten this back out. Coupling. Be cautious of that with that Hansgrohe tub faucet. And then you just put your level on here. You can see we got to raise the right side a little bit. And I'll do that after I get my backing board up. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and follow.